of Evangelii Artist Learning Channel, and here again we are going to discuss a very new chapter of the class 10th English, that is all about the Madam Rides the Bus. So first of all, I want to give the introduction of this chapter. So actually basically there is a girl whose name is Valli, and her age is actually the 8 years, and she wanted to actually wander by the bus first time, because actually she did wander before that timing by the bus, and also she wanted to observe many kind of the things by the bus. So overall the first thing we can say that is a Valli, and let's talk about the characters of this chapter. So basically there are three characters, or we can say the one character that is the Valli, which is the main character of this chapter, and the second that is the bus conductor, and the third that is the, we can say, the members, or we can say the person who are sitting in the bus. And let's talk about the actually the Valli's we can say the curiosity. So actually while actually going to the bus, actually she is very curiosity by the actually which kind of things she will watch by wandering the bus, and also which kind of the lakes, which kind of the ponds she will watch, and which kind of the beauty she will watch while wandering by the bus. So now let's talk about the actually the journey of the bus, we can say the Valli. So basically there are the three steps, or we can say three things which happens by the Valli. First, that is all about the preparation. So actually after the 2 months, actually she started to collect monies, and also she actually refused to spend the money in miscellaneous activities like spending the monies in the buying the candies, buying the chocolates, and he started to collect the money, and also she started to collect the information that how much time is actually required while actually going from the village to the city, and also how much time is required for coming from the city to the village, and also how much money is required for wandering. So these kind of the things which is actually collected by the Valli. So the actually the time which is taken by the we can say bus for actually going from the village to the city, that is the 45 minutes, and the same things while actually coming from the city to the village, that is the 45 minutes, and the 30 passes for the one timing, and also the 30 passes for the second time. So overall the 60 passes is required by the we can say bus for traveling in the bus. And the last thing, that is all about the Valli's observation. So actually when actually she started to we can say observe, and also she started to travel in the bus, so she started to watch many kind of the lakes, and also the Greenland, and also one of the basic, one of the major thing, that is all about the one cow. Actually she started to watch one cow. Actually the cow was wandering we can say freely in the path of the we can say the bus while she was going from the village to the city. So this was the whole scenario which happens with the Valli. And let's talk about the interaction which happened with the Valli. So basically there are three. First, that is the silent observation, second is the passengers interaction, and third that is the bus conductor. So let's talk about the silent observation. So actually while actually the when the Valli was observing many kind of the things, just like the lakes and the greenlands and also the ponds, so actually she was just actually observing all the things by the silent, and in that timing she was not actually talking with anyone, or also she was not talking with the bus conductor also. And the second thing, that is all about the passenger interaction. So while actually when the Valli was coming in the bus, so actually there was a very strange thing, because the age of the Valli, that was that is the 8 years, and also she is a very small and a young girl who is actually traveling alone in the bus. So this was a strange thing which happens also, which is seen by the passenger of the bus. And the third, that is all about the bus conductor. So actually bus conductor was actually making the fun of the Valli, because he was actually talking like an we can say elderly woman, like if a person is actually talking with an elderly woman. So this type of the thing which was actually talked by the bus conductor. So he was just making the fun, because the Valli was regularly we can say standing up, and also she was seeing many kind of the things by the window. So this was a strange thing for the bus conductor, and also she was we can say the bus conductor was making the fun. And the next thing, which is all about the sense of the wonder. So while coming on the topic, while coming on the story, so after that what just happened, that the Valli actually we can say reached the place where she wanted to reach. So that is the biggest city. And after that, actually the bus conductor asked with the Valli that, do you want to take some kind of the things like the candy and the chocolate, and also the cola, like things like the soft drinks. So actually the Valli refuses, because she knew that if she will pay the money, or we can say if she will spend the money on this kind of thing, so she will not be able to come we can say return to the home. So this was the thing which is as we can say Valli was actually acting like a mature person. And also there is one of the major thing, that actually the Valli Valli actually gave the money by the 30 to 30 rupees. When the Valli was actually traveling from the village, so in that time Valli gave the 30 paise, and also while coming from the we can say city to the village, she again gave the we can say 30 paise. So actually the Valli gave the paise in the distributed manner, and this was the actually the we can say sense of the we can say mature person. And there are basically sense of the we can say wonder actually which was happening by the Valli, that is all about the excitement, because actually while traveling in the bus, the Valli was actually we can say seeing many kind of the different thing which is not seen by the Valli in the past timing. So that was the excitement because the Valli was traveling in the bus first timing, and the second that is the exploration, and the third that is the joy. So as I have told you about actually there was the that was the first time when Valli was actually traveling in the bus. So this is showing that the Valli was actually enjoying so much. And this because the second thing which is the exploration. So Valli was actually because exploring many kind of things, as I told you about the lakes and the Greenland. And the next thing which I want to tell, that is the negotiating the skill. So the first thing that is determined by the story, we can easily understand that the whole scenario, or we can say the moral of the story, that how much Valli is determined towards his we can say her aim, that was by going up the bus, and by traveling the bus, she wanted to travel by the bus. So this was the aim, and because of this she actually refused many kind of things. She actually avoid many kind of things, just like not buying the candies, which is actually a normal thing for the small children, and also this is a very important, or we can say important thing for a small child. And the second, that is the resourceful. So the resourceful, or we can say this is the we can say sense of the we can say the negotiating skill, we can say negotiation is skills. So actually because the Valli was only have the 60 paise, and because of that he was not spending that money in the miscellaneous activities. So this is showing that if we want to actually achieve any kind of these things, so we must try to actually utilize the resources which we have. So this is the moral of that story. And the third, that is the successful. So the successful is nothing but actually by the story, the we can say the author want to tell you that if you want to achieve any kind of things, if you have an aim, so you must try to actually, if you want to achieve, so you have to avoid many kind of things. You have to actually avoid many kind of the things, just like in the story the Valli avoid for buying a normal thing, just like the candies and many more things. And then actually for the 2 months he collected the money. So this is showing all of the things which the author want to tell. So that is all about my story which I want to tell. Thank you, nice day.